Okay, so we're nearing the end of this section. So we're going to implement the basics of taking a snapshot from a video element into a canvas element and put it into practice. So with our note-taking app, when we take specific points and create post-its, those post-its now contain snapshots as well as text areas. So you've got something to refer to. And as I mentioned in the original start point, you can also skip between time points, time marks, which are currently so that's giving us the reference for the lightbox as well as the time code. Okay, so best place to start is back in the last video. All we're really doing is, rather than bringing the function, we're just taking the details for the new canvas element and the part where we do the draw image. So basically everything that's inside of the snapshot function is going to be added to our existing create new post-it function in that application, which is now quite long, has to be said. And the best place to put this in is going to be once we've got past the window bar and are into the inner side of things. So after the declaration of the new div, I've put in the variable new canvas. We've put in the new context, set the position to relative, done a little calculation on the width and height because the position's relative, and we're going to set it to 99% width. But before we do, I'm going to divide that value, well, I'm going to times it by the fraction 16/9 so that it gives us approximately the correct ratio in the height. And then with a little bit of data manipulation, just adding on the percentage to the end, we'll turn that into a string which is usable in the width and height properties. And then the line there where we access new context, we draw image, we take from the player. The player already exists as a variable in this application. We have declared the ID as player already, and it should exist as a variable already somewhere. If not, then we will add it in. That's it basically. We take the values for the canvas width and height and put them into draw image instead, and there we have it. And it works fine. In the very last version, I have made some amendments to the positions and the sizes. So a slightly bigger video window, and then when we scale the page, it's going to work a little bit more like we would expect from a web application. And the values there are quite straightforward. Changing the left width to 60%, changing the right width to 40%. That's pretty much it.
No, my next show is gonna be